Hi, good morning everyone. Welcome to Learn English by Speaking. Today I would like to speak about hesitation. Many face difficulties in speaking English because they feel self-conscious at the first and worry about making mistakes. Learn English by speaking unique techniques will help you to remove the hesitation and speak English fluently. It includes effective communication skills and public speaking. Listening. When you are not conversant in a language, especially in English, it is hard to follow what is being said. Learn English by speaking helps you to understand spoken English better, significantly improving your own listening skills. Then grammar. Incorrect use of grammar can lead to misunderstandings. You know, learn to identify and correct common grammatical errors in conversational English. You know, vocabulary, speech, fluency, and idea formation. Many have ideas, but due to poor vocabulary, they can't express them. Learn English by speaking. Teach students to modulate their rate of speech and to express their ideas in a clear and coherent manner. Pronunciation. Learn to speak with the correct intonation and word straight to be understood clearly. Thank you for watching and listening my video, and don't forget subscribe, like, share and comment if you found helpful to this video. Thank you. Bye bye for today.